Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. In our last session, we have completed exercise 2.1. Now today, we are going to see 3-digit addition with 4-digit answer. See, sometime when we add 3-digit numbers, sometimes we get answer in 4-digit. That we are going to see now. Now look at the board. Here, I'll show you one example. See here two numbers are there. The first number is 745, which is a 3-digit number, and 832, this is also a 3-digit number. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add these two numbers which are 3-digit number. Now let us see. We will start from the ones place. Always we should start from the ones place. Now see, at ones place, here 5 and 2, these 2 digits are there. So 5 ones plus 2 ones. Count the finger after 5. After 5, count 2 more finger. 6, 7. So here 5 plus 2, 7 ones. Okay. Now see the tens place number. At tens place, here 4 10 plus 3 tens. 4 plus 3, 7 tens. Now if we will see the hundreds place digit, here 700 plus 800. 7 plus 8. Now see this 7, keep in your mind, and 8, show your 8 fingers. Take out your 8 fingers. After 7, count 8 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 700s plus 800s, we will get 1500. Okay, so we will write 5 here and 1 will write at thousands place. So see, sometimes if we add 3-digit numbers, then we will get the answer 4-digit in 4-digit. Okay, so now here after this we will see how to add 4-digit numbers. For that, I'll show you one example. Now see here. Here the number is 4876, which is a 4-digit number. Okay, and the other number is 2757. This is also a 4-digit number. Okay, now simple way we will do the addition as usual. How we are doing? 6 ones plus 7 ones. 6 plus 7, yes, 13. So see, if the 13 will come, this 3 will write here and this 1 we will give carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place digit. At tens place, now here 3 digits are there. 1 plus 7 plus 5. Now add these 3 digits. 1 plus 7, 8. Now this 8 keep in your mind and this 5 show on your finger. After 8, count 5 more fingers. 8 plus 5, yes, again the number will come 13. So in the 13, at ones place 3 is there. So we will write here 3 and this 1 will come here as a carry. Now see the hundreds place digit. At 100 place, 1, 8 and 7. These 3 digits are there. Okay, so 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7. Now after 9, count 7 fingers. So 9 plus 7, if we will do the addition, we will get 16. So we will write 6 here and 1 will come here as a carry at thousands place. Now see this thousands place digit. Here 1000 plus 4000 plus 2000. 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 2, 7. So in this way we will get the answer 4-digit 7633. Now students, we will see the one animation here. I'll show you here one animation. With the help of, we will take 2 examples. Now to see here, the numbers are 4878 and 2757. These 2 numbers we have to add. and these two numbers are 4-digit number, isn't it? So first of all we will write these two numbers in place value chart. This is a place value chart. While solving the sums in your notebook, in your CW, that time also you have to draw this place value chart. This box you have to draw and put these two numbers in the box, and then only we will solve. So see here, first number is 4878. In this number at ones place 8 is there, at tens place 7 is there, hundreds place 8 is there, and at thousands place 4 is there. In the same way we will write this number also in the place value chart, and then we will do the addition. While doing the addition, it is very important to give the sign. Now see here, see the first ones place number. At ones place there are two numbers, 8 plus 7. Okay, so what we have to do, 8 ones plus 7 ones. 8 ones plus 7 ones, we will get 15 ones. Now these 15 ones, how we will write? 15 ones means 5 ones and 1 10. So this 5 will come here and this 1 will come as a carry here. Okay, so 8 plus 7, 15. Now see the tens place digit. 110 plus 7 tens plus 5 tens. If we will do the addition of these three numbers, we will get 13 tens. Now 13 tens means 100 plus 3 tens. So here at tens plus 3 will come and this one will come as a carry. Now we will add the hundreds place digit. Now see here, 100 plus 800 plus 700 is equal to 1600s. Now 1600s means what? 1600. So here at hundreds plus 6 will come and this one will come as a carry at thousands place. Now we will add the thousands place digit. Now here 1000 plus 4000 plus 2000 is equal to 7000. So this 7 will come at a thousands place. So in this way we got the answer 7635. Okay. Now students, here we will start the exercise 2.2. Now look at the board. Open your textbook, page number 27. Along with me, you have to solve in your textbook also. Now we will see the first one. Add using the short method. Now see here, students, in the question number A, here total 8 sums are there. From that 8 sums, we will take first number, third, fifth and 7. These odd number sums we will take, and the remaining even number sums you have to solve by your own. Now see the first example. The first example is 544 and 864 is the another number. Now these two numbers are 3-digit number. Okay. Now we will add these two 3-digit number. Now see the ones place number. At ones place here 4 is there and here also 4 is there. So 4 ones plus 4 ones. Yes, 4 plus 4. Do the addition. 4 plus 4. Yes, after 4 count 4 more fingers. 4 plus 4, 8. Correct. Now see the tens place digit. Here 4 is there and here 6 is there. So 4 tens plus 6 tens. 4 plus 6 after 4. Show your count 6 fingers and count that 6 fingers after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6, 10. So here 0 will come and this 1 will come as a carry. Now see the hundreds place digit. Now here at hundreds place there are 3 digits. 100 plus 500 plus 800. Now 1 plus 5. Yes, 1 plus 5, 6. Now this 6 keep in your mind. Now which is the next number? 8 is there. Show your 8 fingers. Now which number is there in your mind? Yes, 6. After 6 count 8 more fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we will write 14. Now see students, here 544, this is a 3-digit number. 864, this is also 3-digit number. Here we add 3-digit numbers and we got the answer in 4-digit number. So when we add 3-digit numbers, sometimes we get the answer in 4-digit number. Now we will take the third example. See the ones place digit. Here at ones place 0 is there, here also 0 is there. So 0 plus 0, 0. Now see the tens place digit. At tens place, here 8 is there and here 6 is there. 8 tens plus 6 tens. 8, this 8 keep in your mind, 6 show on your finger. After 8 count your 6 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6, 14. So in the 14 at ones place 4 is there and 1 we will give as a carry to the next place. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here 100 plus 800 plus 900. 1 plus 8, 9 and 9 plus 9, yes, after 9 count again 9 fingers. 9 plus 9, 18. Now here nothing is there, so directly we will write 1 at thousands place. Now here also see these two numbers are 3-digit numbers, but we got the answer in 4-digit number. Now see the fifth one. Here also we will put the places ones, tens and hundreds. First we will start from the ones place. Here 9 ones plus 8 ones. Do the addition. After 9 count your 8 fingers. So 9 plus 8, yes, 17. So we will write here 7 at ones place and 1 will come here as a carry. Now see this tens place digit. Here 1 10 plus 4 10 plus 3 tens. 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 3, after 5 count 3 fingers. 5 plus 3, 8. Now we will move to the hundreds place digit. Here 400 plus 800. 4 plus 8, yes, 12. So here at thousands place we will write 1. Now see here also 3-digit numbers are there. These two numbers are 3-digit number and when we add this 3-digit number, then we will get the answer in 4-digit number. Now the next we will take 7th one. See here, first of all we will write their places O, T and H. Start from the ones place. 8 plus 2, yes, 8 plus 2, 10. So put here 0 and 1 we will give as a carry. Now see the tens place. 1 plus 7, 8 and 8 plus 2, 10. So again here 0 will come and here 1 will come as a carry. Now do the addition of hundreds place digit. 1 plus 7, again 8 and 8 plus 2, 10. Same. So here 0 and here 1 will come. Now see here also these two numbers are 3-digit number, but we got the answer in 4-digit number. So in this way we have completed question number A. See students, I have taken the odd number sums only and even number sums you have to solve by your own. Now we will move to the question number B. In the question number B, the numbers are 4-digit numbers. We have to add 4-digit numbers, that we will see one by one. Now see the first one. Here also from the B question also we will take only odd numbers. Okay, so first number we will take. Now see the ones place digit. 8 ones plus 9 ones. After 8 count your 9 fingers. Yes, 8 plus 9, 17. So here I will write 7 and 1 we will give as a carry to the next place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 0, yes, 5 plus 0, 5. Why? Because which property is there? When we add 0 to any number, we will get the answer that number itself. So in According to this property, here 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here at hundreds place, 800 plus 900. Do the addition, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, yes, again 8 plus 9, 17. So I'll write here 7 and 1 we will give as a carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place digit. Add thousands place digit. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, copy this in your textbook. Now we will see the third one. First of all, add ones place digit. At ones place, which two numbers are there? Yes, 0 and 9 is there. Okay, so add 0 plus 9, 0 plus 9, 9. Now we will see the tens place digit. At tens place, here 8 is there and here also 8 is there. So 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, yes, after 8 count 8 fingers. Yes, 8 plus 8, 16. So I'll write here 6, which is at ones place, and 1 we will give as a carry. Now see the hundreds place digit. At hundreds place, here 100 plus 900 plus 200. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 means, 1200 means, yes, here we will write 2 and 1 we will give as a carry. Now see the thousands place digit. Here 1000 plus 6000. 1 plus 6, 7000. Then add 2 more thousand. 7 plus 2, 8, 9. So what will be the answer? The answer is 9269. Okay. Now students, we will take the fifth one example. Here also I will write places. First of all, these two numbers are 4-digit numbers. So here ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now start from the ones place. 8 ones plus 4 ones. 8 plus 4, yes, this 8 keep in your mind, and 4 take on your finger. After 8 count 4 more finger. 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 12 ones means 2 ones and 1 10. So we will give 1 as a carry to the tens place. Now do the addition. 1 plus 9, yes, 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 plus 0, again 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 we will give as a carry to the next place, that is at hundreds place. Now we will see the hundreds place digits. 100 plus 600 plus 300s. Now 1 plus 6, yes, 1 plus 6, 7, and 7 plus 3, 10, correct. So we will put 0 here and we will give 1 as a carry. Now add these 3 digits, which is at thousands place. 1000 plus 4000. 1 plus 4, where is it? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4 again, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4698 plus 4300 is equal to what? What is the answer? The answer is 9002. This is our answer. Now students, see the 7th number sum. Write their places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now see the ones place digit. 9 ones plus 7 ones. 9 plus 7, this 9 keep in your mind, and 7, show your 7 fingers. After 9 count 7 fingers. Yes, 9 plus 7, do the addition fast. 9 plus 7, 16. Now 16 means, see students, 16, here 16 means 16 ones means 6 ones and this 1 10. So we will give as a carry, 1 carry as a tens place. Now see 8, 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, 9, and 9 plus 0, 9. Now we will move to the hundreds place digit. See the hundreds place. At hundreds place, here 4 is there and here 2 is there. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. And thousands place, 3000 plus 5000. After 3, count your 5 fingers. Yes, 3 plus 5, 8. So what will be the answer? The answer is 8696. Okay. Now see this ninth one. Put their places first ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now see students, here three numbers are there. Okay, we have to do the addition of these three numbers. The first number is 5107. The first number is 5107, which is a 4-digit number. Okay. Now the other number is 28. This is a 2-digit number. And the last number is 2938. This is also a 4-digit number. Now let us do the addition. Now see the ones place digit. There are 7 ones plus 8 ones plus 8 ones. So 7 plus 8, do the addition. 7 plus 8, yes, 15. Now this 15 keep in your mind, and plus 8 is there. After 15 count your 8 fingers. Yes, after 15 count your 8 fingers. Show your 8 fingers. Yes, after 15 count the fingers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So now here 23 ones means 3 ones and 2 tens. So at tens place we will give 2 as a carry. Now see the tens place digit. Here 2 is there, plus 0 plus 2 plus 3. Now do the addition. 2 plus 0, 2. Again we have to add 2 in that. 2 plus 2, 4, and again 4 plus 3, yes, 5, 6, 7. Now see the hundreds place. At hundreds place 100 plus 900. Only 2 numbers are there. Okay, so do the addition. Where is it? Is 1 plus 9, 10. So we will put 0 here and 1 we will give as a carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place number. Here 1000 plus 5000 plus 2000. So 1 plus 5, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8. So what will be the answer? 5107 plus 28 plus 2938 is equal to, the answer is 8073. Okay, this is our answer. Now we will move to the 11th number sum. Okay, first of all put their places ones, tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. Start from the ones place. See at ones place 2 ones plus 6 ones plus 2 ones. 2 plus 6, yes, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Now 10 ones means what? Yes students, tell me the answer. 10 ones means 0, 1 and 1, 10. So this 1 we will give as a carry to the tens place. Okay. Now see the tens place digit. Here 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 8 tens plus 7 tens. To the addition 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8. Now after 4 count your 8 fingers. 4 plus 8, 12. Now 12 plus 7. In 12 add 7. 12 plus 7, 19. So 19 tens means, see 19 tens. 19 tens means what? Yes, see this. 19 tens means here 9 tens and this 100. H stand for 100. So at tens place we will write 9 and this 100 means we will give this 1 as a carry to the hundreds place. Okay. Now see the hundreds place digit. What are the digits at hundreds place? Yes, at hundreds place here 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5. These 4 digits are there. Okay. So we will do the addition of these 4 digits. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4. Yes, after 7 count 4 fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5, 16. So we will write 6 here and 1 we will give as a carry. Now see the thousands place digit. At thousands place, here 1 is there and here 3 is there. Do the addition. 1 plus 3, 4. Okay. Copy these sums in your textbook. Then we will move to the next sums. Okay. Now see the next page. Now here we will take 13 number sums. Okay. What are the numbers? Read the numbers. Yes. The numbers are 5994 plus 519 and third one is 432. Now here the first number is 4 digit number. See carefully. The first number is 4 digit number. Now see the second number. The second number is 3 digit number and the third one is also 3 digit number. Okay. Now we will add from the ones place. Now see the ones place. 4 plus 9. Do the addition. 4 plus 9. Yes. 13. 13 plus 2. 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 we will give as a carry. Why? Because 15 ones means 5 ones 1 10. Now see the tens place digit. Here 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 1 11 and 11 plus 3 yes 14. 11 plus 3 14. So 14 tens means 4 tens and 1 hundred. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Okay. Now see the hundreds place digit. At hundreds place 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 yes 19. So we will write 9 as hundreds place and 1 we will give as a carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place. Here 1 plus 5 very easy. 1 plus 5 6. So what will be the answer? The answer is 6945. Now we will see the 15th one. See the 15th sum number. See the ones place digit. Here 2 ones plus 8 ones plus 3 ones. 2 plus 8 yes 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 3 13. Okay. So 13 ones means 3 ones and 1 10. So we will give 1 carry as a carry to the tens place. Now 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 2 10. Now 10 tens means 0 10 and 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 4 14. 1400 means 400 and 1000. So 1 we will give as a carry to the thousands place. So 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 1 9. See what is the answer? The answer is 9403. Okay. So in this way we have completed few examples from exercise 2.1. In the remaining examples we will see in our next episode. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.